All about HVAC systems for the home. When it comes time to think about an HVAC system in your home, the first thing that comes to mind is probably the furnace. It might be the air conditioner if you live in a place that's warm and rarely requires heat. There are a lot of other systems in the house that require the attention of an HVAC technician. They also work with radon mitigation systems, humidifying the air, cleaning the air, heating the floor, and working with any type of heating and air cooling system in the house. That's a lot of knowledge one person has to have in order to become an HVAC trained technician. Furnaces. The most common system that HVAC technicians work with is furnaces. Since half of the country relies on them to heat the home during the winter months, there are a lot of repairs to be made, installations to complete, and inspections to perform. Furnaces can be forced air from a natural gas or propane heat source, electric baseboard, or even hot water heated baseboards. An HVAC technician can also install geothermal units, which are buried outside, where the natural insulation of the dirt works with pipes to keep the house hot or cold. Air quality. HVAC personnel are responsible for keeping the air in the house clean, too. They work with air purifying systems, humidity control, and radon mitigation. Air purifiers are systems that use filters and ions to clean the air and electronically change the ion charges so the air is clean in every aspect. Humidifiers keep the air at a certain level of moisture. Too much humidity can be a problem and cause water spots, foundation and ceiling damage, and even ruin items in the home. If there's too much dry air, it can cause sickness, and people will be shocking each other with static electricity in the dry months. A certain humidity level in the house will keep everyone more comfortable and also help the air temperature remain consistent. Radon mitigation removes the bad radon gas from your basement. Radon gas is harmful to your health when you're exposed to it for a long time. Mitigation systems are installed by an HVAC technician so the radon is funneled up from the basement and out through the roof of the house through a heavy-duty piping system. Lennox Systems. Lennox is a brand that's known for quality and excellence in all of their products. Lennox furnaces and air conditioning units are one of the most popular choices of homeowners who are installing new systems or replacing old and worn-out units. The Lennox brand also makes radon mitigation systems, humidifiers, and air purifiers to keep the air clean and the temperature you want all the time. When you have questions on any type of brand, whether it's a Lennox system or not, the HVAC technician will be able to answer all of your questions so that you can make an informed decision on what's best for your home and your family. Choose Lennox if you want a brand you can trust that stands behind its products and the people who install and service those products.